Hey, what's happening? What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt here. Hope your day is going great. I just wanted to give um, just kind of a little bit of a review and some day trading action, potentially day trading, for sure trading, on KUCOIN. So Binance has been really laggy lately for me, and a lot of people can't get in anymore. They don't have all the coins that I'm looking for, so I decided to go 50-50 into Binance and KuCoin on my distribution right now for my trading funds. I'm still holding sub and like some other things in Binance, but I just wanted to give a quick little like review, I guess, on KuCoin and what I kind of see with it, and then I'll do some trading. And this will just be really quick, but right off the bat, I wasn't super impressed with like the just kind of the flow of everything right off the start, but it's when you get into it is when I was like, dang, this is legit. So um, they do have their own coin, just like Binance does. They're smart, whatever. I have my money in ETH right now, and so I have a couple coins that I wanted to look at just to potentially buy, see what's happening with them. Um, kind of want to see like what's the farthest in the red and maybe pick into that a little bit. Just kind of start my looking here. But we'll just start right off the top, just for the sake of an argument. Um, so here's Oyster Pearl coin. I'm just going to go and click on that. It's 14% down in the last 24 hours. And check out their trading screen. Mine is a little laggy because of the video and all of that going on right now, but they use TradingView on their charting, which is sick. So instead of having to have two windows open, you can do all of your like in-depth technical analysis right here with really good graphics, and you can pull all the indicators that you want. I guess they pay for this somehow, because I mean you can stack on like all the different. What do I want? Let's do like bowling bands. Let's add on OBB. I don't even know what else I want right now. Again, for the sake of an argument, we'll just throw RSI in here. And so here you can see that they have like, you can, in the free version of TradingView, which you can just use on TradingView's website, you're limited to 3 indicators at once. And KuCoin, you can use all of them, and it's TradingView. So if I click over here, let me get rid of actually some of these things real quick. Do this. I'll keep RSI and all of this stuff going. Shrink it a little bit. And then you can click into here and do all of your normal drawing indicators just like you would in TradingView. So it's literally just like an exact, like, I guess they use an API of some sorts to do everything, but it's freaking cool. I like it a lot. It's really helpful. The depth chart, I wish you could like rearrange everything a little bit. You might be able to, I just don't know how yet. Guess you can. It's like a dashboard of some sorts, basically. But I like that the depth chart's just always here. I have my level 2 right here. My order books. If you have 2-factor authentication, it locks down your cells until you put into your 2FA, which is fine by me. It's just extra safe, you know. This is on a 1-hour chart, by the way. Sorry, I'm actually looking at what I'm going to be buying now. I'll probably put a sell order in around 2,900. I mean, a buy order in at around 2,900 for some Pearl. I've been looking at it lately, and I think it's pretty legit. I really like it so far. I like the fundamentals behind it, and it's got a nice little pennant forming here on the 1 hour. Bollinger Bands are going to start coming in here, and we're looking for, like, we're about to start getting a trend reversal on the estimated moving averages. Basically, when all these averages start crossing over each other, we'll see some volume, which is not great right now. And the RSI is basically, it's definitely in the neutral zone, airing a little low on the neutral side. So it'll be nice to see it go down a little bit more. Maybe we'll get into the 30s by the time it gets to 28. But yeah, I mean, this UI is awesome. Oh, I'm not even looking at Pearl. I thought I was looking at Pearl this whole time. Dang. I don't know what TFL is, but maybe it's cool. Real time. Okay, cool. So this is Pearl. Right now I'm just kind of drawing to see what this flag could look like. Potentially, if it does form a flag or not. Looks like we still need to extend a little more here. So I'm not liking the trend on this right now. I'll go ahead and get rid of these, but I do like the fact that the Bollinger Bands are closing in tighter. But it did look like it broke this support right here at 24.5, as you can see by this candle going down. Let me see what it's like on the 30-minute. Yeah, there's the big sell. Getting into oversold territory almost, not quite there yet. I might look to buy around then. Looking back and forth here. Or any bearish trend. Big sell wall. So yeah, I won't be purchasing this one yet. I'll let it fall just a little more potentially. Let's see what happens there. Everything, today was a bloody day in the crypto altcoin world. Everything was down quite a bit. I've heard a lot of talk about Dragon. So basically right now I just want to see like all the coins that I've heard everybody talking about for a long time, but I haven't been able to participate because I didn't have KUCOIN. But now that I do, I'm all about it. So it's time to get to work. Also, there's a link to KUCOIN for you to sign up to it in the description. And go ahead and leave a comment on this video if you're going to start using it. We can talk and chat about it. Also, what the heck? That's a glitch. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want more of these types of videos. I'm going to be doing them as much as I can, just as the technical side of me wants to come out. And I'd love to have you along the journey with me. Also, join the Discord, which is also linked below, to also get real-time shout-outs about all of this stuff that's going on in front of me. So, just a little detour on those things. Main things, join the Discord and subscribe. So, back to it. I don't really like Dragon right now. Still looking for things that have been just getting hammered lately. Basically, right now I'm looking for things that have been getting hammered on the change. So I guess I can just go ahead and sort by that. And then things that are cheap. And so my thinking behind that is that, I mean, I've said this in my other videos, but if it's been getting hammered and it's cheap, that's a win-win because newbie people, brand new people like to buy a ton of a coin. And so the only way they can do that generally is to buy a really cheap coin, which will boost the volume. And if it's on discount right now, that means when everybody comes in to buy it, it'll go up even more. down 21 cents. This was at like 17 today, I think. So that would be what, 20? Yeah, 25%. That it could pretty easily go to. So right now in my head, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to calculate what are my big runners going to be in the next 24 to 56 hours or so. Basically like the next 1 to 3 to 4 days. I am trying to find something I can hold a little longer right now just because I am going on vacation this weekend, which is exciting, but that means that I won't really be looking at my coins, so I need to pick something smart that won't totally screw me in the end. Dragon is looking pretty interesting here, but it's at 382, and I know that if I zoom out of this, it's going to be nutso. Let's just do this, because everybody's been buying this thing. It's actually not as bad as I thought. Whoa, Jesus, 50,000. That's a wall if I've ever seen one. I could get a quick scalp in here. RSI is normal again. Oh, it's down. It's dropping. Let's see what 30 minutes like. If I can scalp this, that'd be great. $15. Okay, yeah, it's looking like it's about to be oversold. Just gonna give it a little more time. That 31.8 number looks nice. And it's right before the ball. It's gonna start pushing it around. So I'll probably go and put in an order right here. And then play it up to about 35 is the goal. Yeah, and there it is. It's coming down, so I'm going to go and place my order right now at, I don't really know how any of this works. $31.91. Literally, this is the very first trade. Second trade, I bought one of their coins, but like that was super easy. I'm used to seeing like everything really laid out well. Oh, I'm trying to sell at 31. I want to buy 10. Here's my balance. That's going to cost me 0.0. How much is it going to cost me? Where do I see that at? So I guess this is like your 25, 50, 75, 100% buys. Yeah. Oh, where did this wick go to? That wick barely didn't touch. So I think we got one more good little push in us, and then it'll drop down to this price that I'm looking for. Before I do that though, I just want to see what's up with everything else. Sub's been getting hammered lately. That's like one of my long-term hold coins. Got my ignition coin staking over here. So I'll get my reward for that in 12 days, which is 1.7 coins, which each coin is about 40, it like fluctuates in the 40s, $40 range. So that'll be like a free, almost like $70 for 12 days of letting it stake. And then I'll stake that compound, and I'm just gonna keep it rolling because Ignition is basically a brand new coin that I really like. I talk with the dev in Discord basically all the time, and he's in my Discord as well. And he seems like a great guy, so Just gonna keep that rolling. Hold on to it as long as I can. I actually have 3 Ignition Coin in Coins Market, and I'm just waiting for them to come back online so I can move it into my staking wallet as well. The way that staking works for them is that you get 1.7 increments for each period. DGB, this was at 11 cents earlier today. Oh my gosh. Is that real? What in the world? How is that? Literally, how is that even a thing? I see buy orders right here. Let me try refreshing and see what happens. Because I don't think that's right. Kicked me out. Oh, and we're back. Guess it was right. 79 Satoshis. Oh, 7,900 Satoshis. Okay, so here we have what's going on with KUCOIN. This is the 8 hour. It always starts you in the 8 hour for some reason. Yeah, if it breaks this 73.5 number, we're in for a world of hurt on. Ooh. So if this breaks 73.5, which I don't think it will. Also, I guess I just realized that you have to reset your indicators potentially every single time, unless I just didn't look at it the first time. So if we break through right here, next stop is 55. So I'd be very interested to see if we can pop through this 73 number. It looks like we jumped off it earlier. Let's go back into this 1 hour. $74. And you can see it bounce off it and bounce off it again. It double bottomed here, and we got a nice little pop. And now it looks to be forming a cup and handle, but I don't know. That's definitely a downtrending. This is not looking good, so I don't want to buy it yet. So I might just stay in ETH right now and just let everything ride a little bit farther down, and then come back in a couple minutes, and then make my purchases. So I'll probably call the video here, but I hope you were able to see a little bit about what KUCOIN's like, the user interface, see what I'm looking at on like new coins. I mean, these are like brand new coins for me that I haven't looked at all, so I need to do a lot more analysis on all of them. But let's get the party started on it, and let me know in the comments what your favorite KUCOIN coin is, KUCOIN coin, so that I can look at it and analyze it and potentially buy it, and come say what's up to me in the Discord with all of my friends, and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Peace.